Namaste. Welcome to maths class. Welcome students. Today I am going to teach you line and angles. It's the fourth exercise of line and angles, and today's class goes like this. Fill in the blanks. Here I have shown the questions and showing the blanks, okay, and that blank word I have shown down, okay, and in example you have to write that word in the blanks, okay. An angle which is less than a right angle is called the angle. Its answer is acute angle. An angle of 150 degree is blank one angle. It is obtuse angle. An angle of 265 degree is blank an angle. It is reflex angle. An angle of 15 degree is and angle. It is reflex angle. Similarly, look here, an angle which lies between a right angle 90 degree, and a straight angle is angles, okay? And it is obtuse angle. Right angle is 90 degree, straight angle is 180 degree. What lies here? That is obtuse angle. The degree measure of right angle is 90 degree. And similarly, the degree measure of a straight angle is blank, and it is 180 degree. The angle whose measure lies between straight angle is 180 degree, and a reflex this one, okay. Four right angles. Four right angle means 360, which lies between 180 and 360. That is okay. This is straight angle, okay, straight angle, and this is right angle. Its exact middle one is 270, okay, which is reflex angle, okay. In this place, we can write a reflex angle. Okay, this 270 is the reflex angle, okay. This is okay. The word we have filled the word there. 270 degrees is the reflex angle, and in place of that, we can write the word that I'm writing here, and in this place one, okay. In place of 270 degrees, we can write here that is the reflex angle, okay. And now as I told you this one, okay, in this place one, exact middle one 271, okay, and that is the reflex angle, okay. The sum of the two angle is 90 degrees. The sum of two angle means two complementary angle is 90 degrees. And similarly, look here next one, an angle, this one, okay, angles one have common vertex and a common arm, that is adjacent angle. AB and CD are said to be dotted lines if the angle between them is 90 degrees. That means perpendicular lines. Two lines along the edges of the ruler are dotted lines. Okay, that means parallel lines. Similarly, here when we draw this line, XO line means AB at O, then the angles XOA and XOB are dotted angles. That means they are adjacent angles. And if two lines AB and CD intersect, they cut each other at O, then angles BOD and AOC are vertically opposite angles. And here's the figure one. From this figure, we have to pick out, okay, we have to pick out the pair of adjacent angle and pair of vertically opposite angles. Okay, and here first adjacent angle. Okay, this will get PMR, PMR, and RMS. Okay, similarly RMS and SMQ, and SMQ and QMP, and QMP and PMR. This four pair of adjacent angles. Okay. Similarly, vertical opposite angles means, look here, it's vertical opposite angle. This one, PMR, and QMS. This is vertical opposite angle. Similarly, next, RMS and PMQ. RMS and PMQ are vertical opposite angles. And now look here, find the complementary angle of 42 degrees, as I have told. Okay, when you find the complementary angles, we have to subtract it from the 90 degree. Okay, first of suppose the angle, missed angle be x, that one is x. Okay, and these two are complementary angle, then the sum will be 90. Then when 42 goes as subtract, and when you subtract from 90, you will get x value is 48 degree. 48 degree is the complementary angle of 42 degree. Okay, and similarly, find the complementary angle of 76 degree. Then write that, let the complement angle of 76 degree be x. Okay, and then x plus 76 degree equals 90 degree. The x equals 90 degree minus 76 degree. Then when you subtract it, you will get x value is set. Okay, look here, when you subtract this 91, you have to correct it here. Okay, look here, I want to show here. Here only this subtraction. Okay, there's some. Okay, wrong type one. Okay, this I want to show you here. This one. Okay, this one. Okay, here this is topic same, and we have to write there 90 minus 76. 90 minus 76 do, you'll get there 14 degree. Okay, 14 degrees should be written there, right? 14 degree, and this subtract, and you will get here 14 degree. And now here the next one, the complementary angle is 23 degree, and find the angles. That angle suppose x. Okay, then when you add them, it will be 90 degrees. Then when it goes here minus, then subtract it, you will get the value of x. Okay, 67 degrees. Similarly, now look the next. 2 by 3rd of right angle means 2 by 3 in 90, that means 60 degree, and we have to find out its complement, suppose x. Then when you add them, it will be 90. Then when 60 goes here, subtract, and you will get the value of x, 30 degree. Okay, the missing angle is 30 degree. Now here x and 1 by 6 of right angles are complementary angles, and find the value of x degree. Then 1 by 6 of right angle means 15 degree. Okay, then find out the complement of that angle. Okay, that's suppose x first, and when you add them, you'll get 90, then you subtract it, then you get 75 degree. And four number look here like this, find the supplementary angle of 106 degree. As I told that when you add the supplementary angle, there must come, okay, the sum must come 180 degree. And when you add these two, then it will come 180, then subtract it, then you will get 74 degree. 74 degree is the supplement angle of 106 degree. Okay. Similarly here, find the supplement of 3 by 4 of right angle. 3 by 4 of right angle means 3 by 4 of 9 degree. You will get 67.5 degree. And let the supplementary angle of this is x. Then when you add them, it will come 180 degree. Then subtract it, then you will get x value is 112.5 degree. Okay. Now, if the supplementary angle is 46 degree, find the angle. Okay. Then let the angle be x. Then when you add them, it will be 180. Okay. Then when 46 goes here, it will be subtracted. Then you will get X value is 134 degree. Similarly, x degree and 123 degree are the supplementary angles. Then when you add them, okay, their sum will come 180. Then it goes here, subtract, and you will get the value of x is 57 degree. Okay. Similarly, look at 5 number. Here is the question. Okay, the supplement of an angle whose complement is this. Okay, find out the complement of this 55 degree. Then whatever complement comes of this, then its supplement you have to find out. Okay. First of all, suppose the angle be x and its complement be 90 degree minus x. Okay. Now it says according to question, 90 degree minus x equals 55 degree. It's okay. They are equal, complementary. And then x value comes 35 degree. Now we have to find out the supplement of 35 degree. Then you will get the value of 145 degree. Similarly, we can solve this question, same one. The complement of an angle whose supplement is 150 degree. Okay. Find out the supplement of this angle, then find out that angle's complement angle. Okay. Similarly here, an angle is 5 times its complement. Find the angle. Here, let angle be x, its complement, suppose this one. Okay. The angle is 5 times. This is 5 times, okay, of this angle. That's why we have to multiply this complement by 5, then they will be equal. According to question, this angle is 5 times, that's why we multiply here by 5, then they will be equal. Then solve it, you will get the value of x. The value of x will be here 75 degree. 75 degree is the answer of this question. Okay. Similarly, you can do this question also. Okay. Class open. And now find angles whose supplement is 3 times its complement. Let angle be x and supplement of this angle is 180 degree minus x and complement of this angle is 90 degree minus x. And it's clearly telling that supplement is 3 times its complement. Means this supplement is 3 times then this complement. Then it is 3 times. Then if you multiply in complement by 3, then they will be equal. Because it is telling, question is telling clearly this 3 times. Then when you multiply the complement by 3, then they will be equal. According to question, if the complement is multiplied by 3, then it will be equal with the supplement. Because supplement is 3 times, question telling. We are making equation. That's why to make them equal, we have to multiply here by 3. Complement should be multiplied by 3 to make them equal. Then open the bracket, it will multiply with 90, 3 will multiply with x also, and put the like term one side, that will be 2x equals 90 degree, then x equals to 45 degree. Okay, the complement of angle is double of the angle, find the angle. Okay, and this also similarly, this as this work, solve it. Okay, and now look here, the complement of the angle is 10 degree less than the angle. Okay, less than the angle. First of all, complement. Let the angle be x, its complement is this. This complement is 10 degree less. If complement is 10 degree less than the angle, then in complement, if we add 10 degree, then that will be equal to this angle. According to question, the complement is 10 degree less. That's why when you add 10 in complement, that will be equal with this angle. If you solve it, then you will get the value of x. The value of x is there 50 degree. Okay. Similarly, you can solve this question. Okay. Twice. Twice means 2 times. Okay. Supplement is twice the angle by, look at x means more, 30 degree. Then find the angle. Find the angle will supplement x is twice the angle by 30 degree. Find the angle with supplement is 50 degree less than the 3 times its complement. Okay. Suppose angle be x, its supplement is this 180 degree minus x, complement is 90 minus x. Then according to question, supplement is telling how much less, 50 degree less than the 5 times, this one 3 times the complement. 3 times the complement, the supplement is 50 degree less, that 50 degree will be added with the supplement, then that will be equal with the 3 times its complement. Okay, open the bracket, then 180 plus 50, 230 minus x, then this also multiply 3 into 9, 270, 3 into x minus x, then put the like term one side, then you will get the value of x 20 degree. The angle is 20 degree here. Okay, similarly, okay, these are the answers of previous one also here. Okay, these are answer, and here is given the assignment also. These are the assignment. Okay, you have to do it. define the complementary angle, define the supplementary angle. Okay, and here is the sum of the classes that I have explained. Okay, now thank you very much. Stay safe, healthy, and happy. Thank you for watching. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe to stay updated of new videos. Okay, and don't forget to press the bell icon also, so that it will come directly to you. Okay, whenever the new videos and new classes are kept here, you will get the videos directly. Okay, that please subscribe and practice. Keep practicing mathematics.